Hello, my name is Kyle, and today I'm going to be your master stove painter. So, I bought this conventional from a stove store liquid paint for stoves and grills. Now, a couple things you should do is always wear eye protection because it can cause irritation and rashes. Do not eat it, swallow it, and I would recommend a mask, but then again, I am a master, so I'm a little bit above that. But it's a liquid paint. It was $24.99. It's actually super, super thin. So I would recommend a really, really light brush. And when you do coat it, I mean, it will clamp a lot. So you need to try to smooth it out as much as you can. Overall, I'm going to show you a old finish, which is rusted. I have not cleaned it. I only vacuumed off the dust and debris. Now, if you look at the new finish, I have basically just coated and coated. And the good thing about it is when you do look at painting, you see I have a mess going on here. Don't be afraid if you do get any drips down, actually on it, because you'll actually be surprised. Just run a brush stroke across it. It actually smooths right back out into a nice material, because I was very concerned. Probably spent about an extra 30 minutes I didn't need to. But all in all, I would recommend this probably as like a 3.5 stars. A couple things is, obviously it's a very messy job. It does stain, so you've got to be very protective and use the right things. Make sure you're cleaning up after yourself. But I didn't want to use spray paint because being inside, I didn't want to have to get any debris on the walls or any other electronics. But in my opinion, this is Kyle Melvin. I'm your master expert in painting grills and stoves.